Hello friends, welcome back to my channel 5 Minutes Tech. This is Oppo A3S smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set alphanumeric passcode in Oppo A3S smartphone. First of all, go to the settings in your phone and scroll down. Now you will find face and passcode. Just click on that and now click on lock screen passcode. If you have put any lock screen passcode, just give it. And now click on modify passcode and click on other encryption method. Now select 4 to 16 digit passcode. This is alphanumeric passcode. Just give the numbers and letters. Again give the same passcode. The passcode you enter should be matched. Yes, it is set now. Now check whether this passcode is working or not. Yes, it's working fine. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. And